Hey there, efficiency experts. Want to speed up your data entry in Google Sheets? Autofill is a fantastic feature that can save you time and effort. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use autofill to quickly populate cells. Let's get filling. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Navigate to the Google Sheets document where you want to use autofill. Step 2. Enter initial data. Type the data you want to autofill into the first cell or set of cells. Step 3. Select the cells. Click on the cell or highlight the range that you want to autofill. Step 4. Use the fill handle. Look for the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. Click and drag it down or across to fill the cells automatically. Step 5. Check the autofill data. Release the mouse button and Google Sheets will fill in the cells based on your initial data. Make sure it looks correct, and just like that, your data is filled in no time. If this tutorial helped you work smarter, not harder, please like and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips.